Well, we ran into our first problem here. These are the two mounting areas for the timing chain guide. Okay, and this is the one off the original one that we took off the 2.8. See how there's a little protrusion on this one right there? Sticks out. That doesn't fit right there. This is off the 3.4 and it doesn't have that protrusion. This is a 2.8 block. So the protrusion fits in there and it kind of keeps it in place, I guess. That one doesn't have it. So our timing set is for a 2.8, and so I'm gonna have to shave that down. This one right here is the new, which would go great on a 2.8, but since we're doing the 3.4, if I put it on there, it fits all wonky, all sorts of wobbly, and I would not feel comfortable doing that. So we got the grinder out here and we're gonna grind that nub off so that we can use it on the 3.4. Let's have some fun. Well, here it is after I ground the little protrusion off. I deburred it with a little round file to make sure that we get all of the little metal fragments out. But I'm comfortable with that. We're going to put that in and we're going to run it.